Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Midjourney account. For that you need to go on your login page, whether you can use your app or you can also use their website. I'm just using their website because this app is not available in my region. And then after you go on their sign in page, just tap on login button and you will see two options: continue with Google and Discord. Now what you need to do is if you're using your Discord to if you're using your Discord to and if you're using your Discord to log in, just go and open your Discord account, app, and tap on your button and tap on your setting button, then go on your account. There you will see password. Just you can change your password from here, and if you don't remember it, you need to tap on forgot password option. That should be here. My account is not secured with email, so it's not available for my account. You can go and reset your password from here if you don't remember your password, and after that you can log into your Midjourney app. And if you're using your Google to log in, you need to go and open any Google apps like this and tap on your profile button that will be on your top right area, and then you'll have to tap on manage your Google account. There you will see Google password. Just tap on that, and now you have to go straight to this continue button, and it will verify you using your face ID or anything, or your security code. And after that you can reset your password, and after resetting your Google or Discord password, you can log in from here like this, and that is how you can recover your Midjourney account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank